Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about replacing blanks. Basically we can replace blanks in different ways. For example, I just come here and double click here, and also I come here to scroll and just drop it down. You can see I have here more than hundreds of rows, so it's not a good way, it's time consuming way. So I want to try another way. I just Control Z this 2 times, and here in A4 I just type here equal sign and select A3 and enter. So now I have this here. After that I just copy this, Control C, I come here to find and select, and here I go to special, and here you can see I have many options, and also I have the blanks here. I check blanks. After that, okay, you can see it automatically selected the entire blanks. So I just come here to the paste option and I paste by formula. You can see now I have all of these filled perfectly. So it's the first way. Another way, I want to create another spreadsheet, so I don't want to bring changes to the resource. So I just Control Z this, escape, Control Z, yes. And here I just come here to country and I press Control plus Shift and drag it to the right. You can see I have just copied this. And here what should I do? First of all, I should link my data with the resource. I just double click here and clean this. I just write here equal sign. I come back to country and select this. You can see it's country A2 and enter. So I apply this formula to the entire spreadsheet. I just drag it to down, because if I just double click it doesn't work because I have many blanks here. Way down, okay, and also I drag it to the right, and here since these are numbers, so I just come here and click on this. So these are the numbers. Now you can see I have linked my work to the source. I just come here and double click. Before the country, I just write here, I use the if function and is blank, if function and is blank. You can see whenever we use the if function, we have two conditions, if it's true or if it's false. So here, whenever I use the is blank, it means if it's blank, it's true. So if it's not, it's false. So I just need to copy this because I will need this. I just copy this and close the bracket. If it's blank, comma, if it's blank, so it should select the previous cell, which is this one. It's A2 and it's A1, comma, the next one. If it is not blank, it will remain the same, which is Control V, close the bracket and enter. You can see when I come here and double click here, you can see the magic. It works here perfectly fine. So that's it about replacing blanks. We did this in two different ways. The first one with go to special, and the next one for we use the if function and is blank functions. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.